Hi, my name is Tanashi, and this is my YouTube channel. Have you been heartbroken or tired of starting an unfulfilling relationship? This is a channel for you. In this video, I am going to take you through the first step of marriage, and that is relationship. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe on the subscribe button on your screen. Firstly, it is the dream of every man or a woman to get married after a relationship. There are different stages towards the golden dream, which is marriage. Like I said earlier on, I'm giving light on the first stage of marriage in this video. Relationship stage is the stage when love rate or percentage is high, like you and your partner do not want to miss each other or disappoint each other. More so, the truth is hidden from each other at this stage. For instance, the girl can be shy to unveil all truth about her family personal life. Same applies with the boy. This automatically tells you that there is lack of adequate truth at this first stage. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I do not want you to miss any of my videos. Lies are the foundation of this first stage, because both partners pretend to be perfect to each other. This is caused by fear of losing each other, since you will be just starting to get along. Join me in my next episode, where I will be explaining more on the relationship stage and also teaching you how to manage your relationship stage.